right where that tight rotation looks like it is.
Mm-hmm. Chase tour's right in front of us.
That's what I wondered.
And this is wind feeding into it, and it's getting strong. We're getting ready to have to go further down the road here. That's tornadic. See how the dirt's moving to the right with the front edge of that rotation? That's a tornado, honey. We scored a tornado. Look how fast the rotation's picking. It is on.
Okay. Yeah.
Look how fast that rotation is picking up.
They just put out another severe, but they haven't put out a tornado yet.
They probably will. We'll probably get a tornado report off this.
See how it...
Yeah. Look at that hook on it.
Yeah.
Big rotating wall cloud.
Pretty funnel all the way to the ground.
I know, we got those stupid trees in the way.
The nice thing is it's not wrapping up in any rain. Usually that's my problem.
Yeah, it might be trying to funnel just to the left of the power pole, right below the lines. More dirt kicking up.
Gosh.
That's a bowl funnel. Come on, reach all the way down. Reach down.
So do you see anything up high that I should be looking at?
Yeah, see? Can you, to the left of the telephone pole, you see that little that point?
Uh-huh.
That's a funnel.
Okay. Oh,
it's a big
yeah.
funnel.
Oh, yeah, I see it now.
Look how the edge of the wall cloud here is really starting to crank around.
Mm-hmm. Do you still see the funnel?
Yeah, well, it's kind of flattening out, but the rotation is still very strong right there. See how the dirt's starting to lift up and curl around it now?
Oh, yeah.
It's a pretty wall cloud. There it is. Score, honey. Sorry.
That's all right. That's wild.
Okay, now it's to the left side of the tree. The biggest tree.
Yes, right in the hole for me.
Yep. It's multiple vortex. It's a huge multiple vortex.
Okay. I was trying to figure that out. Why it was... Might do a thing. Hannah.
Oh, golly, look at that. Come on, open up. Yeah, it's got a couplet now. It's over the road.
Oh, gosh.
Tornado on the road. Oh, look at that. We're getting a big score here, but now we're getting in danger of big hail.
It's all right, we can find it.
Okay. Y'all heard it. She gave me permission to break out the windshield with big hail.
This car that stopped and they ran over there with their tripod
Yeah.
or their whatevers. Don't you know that they are like, look at
Yeah.
it right there.
Okay, there's our tornado warning.
I see it. Look down here, Allan. Right about
Yeah.
going over those house buildings.
Well, and over here to the right, you see debris? No, those are birds. To the right of the blue car. See, this is a huge area of rotation. Look at that rotation. That's the kind of rotation that will eventually drop a really good one. I guess it on these panels.
Oh, I'm trying to take a picture and it keeps just shutting off. Oh, because I'm pressing the wrong thing. Oh yeah, look at it.
Yeah. So we may okay, new RFD hitting over there. See it kicking the dirt up? Ooh, that rotation is tightening up.
Whoops. Whoopsie, whoopsie.
Second, I got somebody behind me. Big old bowl right over there. See, if this thing's going to drop, it's going to drop right there. Just a A little bit to the left of that, where that house is.
Okay.
That whole thing's rotating like crazy. There's your RFD. Look at the surf coming off this field.
Gosh.
Yeah, I agree. No, honey, that was just a little tornado that was right there. That wasn't surf, that was a tornado.
Oh,
Look at the
wow.
cattle.
He went to turn around.
I don't think so. He's wanting to gain a different perspective. Some serious RFD. Or 70 mile an hour RFD. Come on, come on. Face into that more. Feeling this thing might be getting ready to tornado. Look at the back edge of that funnel area over there, how laminar it is, how smooth.
The gray.
Yeah, right where that
where
lightning bolt came out. That whole thing's a big honking funnel. The fact that that RFD was just punching 80 miles an hour should help it. Yeah, we're recording.
Okay, the wind's settling down. That scares me.
Yeah, it was kind of hairy. That is a giant funnel.
Dropping right straight in front of him.
Right,
Right
over
here.
the White House.
Okay.
Oh, did you see that?
Yeah, I wish I would have had it.
What is holding this thing back from just tubing down? It's a big cone in there.
Look at it now.
Yeah, that's a big cone.
It's trying to condense all the way down.
Mm-hmm.
I can see it through the camera much better than I can with my own eyes. Oh, look at it.
Yeah. Wish we got a squeaky chair all of a sudden. So now you can see the RFD notch right up here. See how it's pulling the clouds down?
Uh-huh.
I'll bet he's streaming live right now. Come on, give us some lightning flashes in there. So you can see what just blasted us. Oh, I hope my wipers didn't screw that.
Oh. We'll just go around him.
Got that.
Oh, there's another one down in Belgium.
Oh.
Tornado warning for northwestern Clay County and northeastern Texas until 8/7/24. Thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles north of Dean, moving east at 15. Hazard tornado and baseball sizing. Radar indicated. That's what you need to know, correct?
Yeah. I just don't know where that is. Oh, is that the one way down there? Or is that this one?
Here's Dean.
Oh, okay.
It's us, right there.
I'd say they're a little bit behind on their tornado warning, don't you?
Is that a funnel?
It could be.
I think it is.
That's definitely part of the wall cloud. See how curved it is? Okay. That's the back edge of the wall cloud. If there's a funnel, it might be over here on the right. Oh. What do we have over there? That is a tornado. We got a tornado, honey.
I'm not getting oh, it's recording.
We're getting ready to turn to the north anyway. We're getting hail too. Okay. Yeah, did you see how that was mole-shaped dirt? That was another spin up. Glad I found some, at least some kind of cover.
Oh, yeah.
big old dents on top of the cab. And I'm seeing some almost baseballs. Yeah, see, look how the purple filled in. Oh, yeah.
I wonder if the fence blew down or something.
I guess I don't know. But it's got a few bruises on it, though.
Should have just stayed right over there where he was.